Hi there, my name's Vince from mymatevince.com, and in this video today I'm going to be showing you how you can connect up various headphones and speakers to the PlayStation Vita. So in this video we're going to be using some normal wired headphones, a wired gaming headset, some Bluetooth speakers and also some Bluetooth headphones with a microphone built in. Now if we look at the PlayStation Vita, we have a headphone jack at the bottom of it, and next to that there's a little hole, and this is where the inbuilt microphone is. So the PlayStation Vita does come with a microphone built into it. So if we were just to plug in some normal headphones, the type that you would get with, for example, your mobile cell phones, then what will happen is the sound will come out through the headphones, but yet we will still be using the microphone on the actual PlayStation Vita. So it doesn't override anything, we will still be able to use the microphone without changing any settings. All this is just via default. So if we were to unplug that one, if you were to have a look now at this gaming headset here, if you look at the 3.5mm plug at the bottom, it is different compared to this one here. This one for the normal white headphones just has left audio, right audio and a ground. If we look at this plug here, it's 4-pole, so we'll have left audio, right audio, ground and also a microphone as well. So whenever we plug in a 4-pole plug into the PlayStation Vita, it's going to override the microphone that's built into the system, and it's going to use the microphone that's built into the headphones here. So even if we were to disconnect this microphone, because the 4-pole plug is still plugged into it, it will still use the microphone here, even though there isn't one. So in other words, the microphone's not going to work. So there's no settings to change that. When you go via a wired connection, you have to use the microphone that comes on the actual gaming headset itself. Okay, so that's nice and easy to do. You just plug it in, sound's going to come through here, and then you'll be able to use the microphone for your chat or whatever you want to do with it. Right, okay, now when it comes to the actual Bluetooth side of things, we've got an option. So this Bluetooth headphones here, they have a microphone built into them. There's a little hole here. So it's up to us. We've got the choice. When we connect it up, sound's going to come through here. But we have the choice whether to use the microphone built into the headphones or still use the microphone built into the PlayStation Vita. And we do this via a little checkbox. So let's get this set up. So what we need to do is we need to go to settings and we need to turn on Bluetooth. So if we go down to devices, and if we go to Bluetooth devices, we need to turn on the Bluetooth. But before that we do that, I'm just going to put the Bluetooth headphones into pairing mode. Now this will vary depending on the headphones you have, but on these ones I just need to hold down this button here for a couple of seconds, and now that has gone into pairing mode. You can see it's going blue and red. And now we're going to turn on the Bluetooth feature. I do find that if I was to turn that on first and then turn on the headphones, it doesn't always work. It seems to be more reliable turning this on first and then the PS Vita. So as soon as I touch this now, it's going to go into searching mode. Right, so at the moment it's searching. And there we go, it's found it already, TTBH03. And that stands for this model number here, which is like Tyotronics. So I'm going to just tap this. And now it says, do you want to register this Bluetooth device? And the device name is that, so I'm going to click OK. And now that's it. It's connected via the headphones. So now the sound will be coming through the headphones here. And because this box is checked here, prioritize Bluetooth device microphone, that means that we're going to be using the microphone, the Bluetooth headphones microphone. So if you don't wish to use the microphone on here, then all you've got to do is tap that little box here. And now we're going to be having the sound through the headphones, but yet we're going to be having all the microphone through the PlayStation Vita itself, through this one here. So that's what that checkbox is for. And if we were just to hit the question mark, you can see it says that. The microphone on the Bluetooth device will be prioritized over this system's microphone. So this system is the PlayStation Vita. So if you want it working on the PlayStation Vita, you leave it unchecked. If you want it working on the Bluetooth headphones, then you check it, just like that. Okay, so let me just disconnect this one now. Well, actually, before I do that, I'm just going to show you what happens. So for example now, if I was just to go to the home page, now at the moment it's coming through here, but when I turn them off, it will automatically come back through to the PlayStation Vita. It will come back muted, and then we just have to hit the volume key and it will unmute. So if I was to hold that down, There we go, so they've now turned off. And there we go, can you see the audio's come back here, but it was muted. So all I've got to do is just hit the volume button, and now we have audio back through here again. And if we want to go back onto the Bluetooth speakers, we don't have to go through that whole setup again. We just turn them on here. There we go. And now what will happen is they will automatically sync up again. And you can see now, even though I've got the volume up, it's not working. It's working through the headphones now. Yeah, okay, and turn them off again and it will start coming back through on a PlayStation Vita. Right, okay, let me show you how to connect up the speakers over here. So again, you go into the Bluetooth feature here. I'm just going to turn that off for a moment. And now I'm going to turn this one on here, and when I turn this one on, it will automatically go into pairing mode. There we go. And now I just turn on Bluetooth on here and it should hopefully pick it up. There we go, Soundcore Mini, it's come up already. I'm just going to tap that and it will say the same thing as before. Do you wish to register it? And now it's going to be working on this speaker here. So if I was to again go to home, you can hear now it's coming through here. And again, if I turn it off, it's going to just automatically kick back over to the PlayStation Vita again. There we go, and again it's come through as muted, so you just need to unmute it. Again, last time, let's just do the speaker here. So I'm going to turn this one on, and there you go, it's gone into pairing mode. I think that's synced up with something else in the house, so let's just go to settings, turn that off, turn it back on again. And I'm just going to hit the Bluetooth thing here. Right, there we go. Pulse X has come up this time, even though we turned that on after the Bluetooth here. So I'm just going to tap that. Do I want to register that? Pulse X, yes. And now it's connected through to here. So if we go to the home again, you can hear it's working through here. Okay, let's turn that off. And again, back through to here again. That's it, so nice and straightforward to do. No matter which option you go for, they all work equally well. Right, okay, hope you enjoyed the video. Thanks for watching. Please give it a thumbs up if it helped you out. And please subscribe for more how-to videos. Take care, bye now.